Kenya's young chess player Sasha Mongeli has attained World Women Candidate Master status with 2 games to spare in the ongoing 43rd Chess Olympiad in Batumi in Georgia. This came on the backdrop of Kenya edging out Malta in the 4th round of the men's competition. New women candidate Master Sasha Mongeli went through the 7th round by edging out Tanzania's Navini Alafati. In the men's competition, Victor Ngani beat candidate Master Saila Clarence. Candidate Master Ben Magana defeated higher-rated candidate Master Pace Colin, rated 2,132 in the rankings. The Kenya team still has a long way to go, though, in the competition that concludes on the 8th of this month. 180 countries are taking part.